Recession-proof your business. How to survive and thrive in an economic downturn. As the 2020 market crashed and the unemployment rate skyrocketed, more and more people are wondering how to survive and thrive during the next recession. With so many people out of work, it's more important than ever to make sure your business is recession-proof and that you understand the different ways to bounce back after a market crash. The key to surviving and thriving in an economic downturn is planning for it in advance. Many businesses that go under or struggle financially during a recession are those that are not prepared for it before it happens. This is Capitalist Domain, and in this video, we'll go over the different ways to protect your business from being one of them. Whether running a small business or working as an employee at a larger company, there are several strategies you can put in place now to ensure you survive and prosper when the economy takes a turn for the worse. So keep watching and we'll show you how to recession-proof your business. Number 1 is to understand what a recession is and how it affects businesses. A recession is a period of time during which the economy slows down and there are generally fewer jobs available. Businesses may be forced to close or lay off employees because profit margins have shrunk and sales have gone down. If you own your business, it's vital that you understand how recessions work so that you can make appropriate changes in your operation to weather the downturn smoothly. Some common causes of recessions include inflationary pressure from external cost increases like oil prices, unemployment spikes, or a dramatic increase in interest rates. If your business is affected by these factors, there are some strategies that you can use to protect yourself and your employees. The first thing to do is boost your cash revenue so that you're able to stay afloat while revenue takes a hit. You may also want to cut costs where possible. Reducing expenses like marketing, advertising, and bonuses can help keep the company going until better times return. Finally, look at ways you can improve productivity, such as offering incentives for early work completion or working with suppliers on volume discounts. By understanding what causes recessions and implementing smart strategies during one, you'll be able to keep your business viable and profitable, no matter how severe the downturn may be. Number 2. Identify the early warning signs of a recession. Most recessions don't happen overnight. There are usually warning signs that one is on the horizon. By being aware of these early indicators, you'll be able to make the necessary changes in your business operations well in advance so that you're prepared when the economy takes a turn for the worse. Some common early warning signs of a recession include slowing economic growth. This can be evidenced by a decrease in gross domestic product or retail sales, rising unemployment. If more people are out of work and looking for jobs, it's a sign that the economy is slowing down. Inflationary pressure. This refers to an increase in prices for goods and services, often caused by an increase in oil or commodity costs. A rise in the interest rate. This is done by a government to slow economic activity and reduce inflationary pressure. Increased borrowing costs. If it becomes more expensive to borrow money, it's a sign that the economy may be slowing down. Declining housing prices. This is usually caused by a decrease in demand for homes or an increase in foreclosures. Falling stock prices. If the stock market is down, it's usually a sign that the businesses are doing worse than expected, and the economy may be heading for a recession. Decreased consumer spending. When people are buying less, it's a sign that they are worried about the future and may be tightening their belts in preparation for the tough times ahead. If you notice any of these trends beginning to emerge, it's important to take action soon to protect your business. The earlier you can identify a potential recession, the more time you'll have to put countermeasures in place. Keep in mind, however, that not all of these indicators need to be present for a recession to occur. Even one or two of them can be enough to signal trouble ahead. For example, if you see consumer spending slowing down and housing prices falling, it may be time to cut back on hiring new employees or investing in expensive equipment until the economy is more stable. This can help ensure that your business remains profitable and able to weather the recession when it hits. Number 3. Take action to reduce expenses and protect your business. The next recession is inevitable. It's just a matter of when. And when it hits, businesses will be forced to make tough decisions in order to survive and thrive. One of the best things you can do to keep your business afloat during a recession is to take action as soon as possible. This means evaluating your operations for areas where costs can be reduced, such as marketing and advertising expenses or payroll costs, and using whatever savings you achieve to increase your cash reserves and protect yourself against revenue losses. In addition, look at ways you can boost productivity to reduce labor costs without sacrificing quality. For example, consider instituting incentives for employees who complete work early, purchasing more efficient equipment that requires less workers to operate, or working with your suppliers on volume discounts that can help you purchase materials more cheaply. Number 4. Adapt your business strategy to take advantage of new opportunities. While a recession can be difficult for businesses, it can also present new opportunities. For example, when consumers are cutting back on spending, they may be more likely to patronize businesses that offer good value for their money. This could present an opportunity for your business to attract new customers by offering lower prices or discounts. In addition, during a recession, businesses may be more willing to take risks and try new things in order to survive. This means there may be opportunities for your business to gain market share by introducing innovative products or services that appeal to new customer segments. Of course, it's important not to take unnecessary risk during a recession. But if you can identify areas where your business can capitalize on changes in consumer behavior or the economy as a whole, you can help ensure that your business not only survives but thrives during the next recession. Number 5. Get creative with marketing and promotion. During a recession, businesses need to get creative with their marketing and promotion in order to attract customers. This may mean finding new ways to reach your target market or offering special deals and discounts that appeal to budget-conscious consumers. In addition, it's important to make sure that your marketing efforts are as efficient as possible during a recession. This means using data and analytics to identify the channels that are most likely to reach your target market and then investing your resources accordingly. By being strategic and efficient with your marketing, you can help ensure that your business is able to weather the storm during the next recession. Number 6. Focus on customer service and retention. Focusing on customer service can help your business survive a recession. During difficult economic times, customers are usually more concerned with getting good value for their money than simply making a purchase. And satisfied customers are often willing to pay a premium for excellent service. To this end, it's important to make sure that your employees have the skills and support they need to provide top-quality customer service. This may mean offering training or incentives to motivate staff members, investing in new technology that makes it easier to interact and communicate with customers, or reaching out to individual customers after each transaction in order to ensure that they're happy with their experience. And if you have loyal customers who continue to spend money at your business despite the challenging economy, be sure to reward them for their loyalty. This may include offering special discounts or perks, or simply showing your appreciation through thoughtful customer service. Number 7. Keep track of your finances and make adjustments as needed. Finally, one of the most important things you can do to prepare for a recession is to keep track of your finances and make any necessary adjustments. This may mean reviewing your budget on a regular basis, cutting costs where possible, or finding ways to increase revenue through smart investments or growth strategies. While there's no way to completely insulate your business from the effects of a recession, preparing ahead of time can help ensure that you're able to weather any economic storm. And with some creativity and good planning, it's possible for even small businesses to thrive during a recession. For instance, if you can focus on providing excellent customer service, finding ways to reduce costs, or marketing your business in new and innovative ways, you'll be well positioned to succeed no matter what the economy throws your way. The bottom line is that while a recession can be daunting, there are ways to prepare for it and even get by during tough economic times. By being strategic and focusing on things like customer service, marketing, and financial planning, you can help ensure that your business not only survives but thrives during the next recession. So, can you now say that you know how to prosper during a recession? If so, share your thoughts in the comment section below. And if not, then be sure to let us know what's still on your mind. We'll be happy to help our viewers and subscribers understand these topics better. If you like this video, please consider subscribing and leaving this video a thumbs up, as we will continue posting more informative content on this channel. See you next time!